everyone, I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Soap making is my creative outlet, and this channel is all about soap making. Today, I would like to share with you my process on making Moringa soap. Without further ado, let's get started! I have Moringa powder that I bought from my hometown. Moringa is also known as Malunggay in the Philippines, and you can easily find it everywhere in my country. For this soap, I infused 5% moringa in my oil blend. The ingredients that I use today are 5 oil blend, lye solution, essential oil blend, French green clay, and natural green clay for colorant. As you all know, moringa is a natural colorant, but I still added the clays to stabilize the color and to anchor the essential oil. First, let us disperse the two natural clays in oil. I've used the mini mixer to ensure that the colorants or the clay are properly dispersed and to avoid any color specks in the final bar. Here I have used 1 teaspoon per pound of oil of clay load. I pre-weigh the clay inside the beaker. My little trick is when I receive a new colorant or clay or additive, I will immediately weigh 1 teaspoon and record the weight in my notebook and in the container. So that next time, when I need less of a teaspoon, I can just weigh the amount that I need instead of doing some estimation or eyeballing. Both lye and oil are at room temperature now. I don't have to heat my oils because I stay in a tropical climate. It stays melted except during rainy seasons. I always prepare my oil blend and lye in advance, and I normally master batch a quantity that is good for 15 to 20 small batches for efficiency and consistency. It also helps me to eliminate other factors and variables, especially when I'm testing fragrance oil, essential oil, or any colorants. This 5 oil blend was calculated at 5% superfat using my own supply calculator at www.mysoapcalc.com/soap. It is a free tool that you can use to make your own soap recipes. Go and give it a try. I'll put the link in the description box below. Then, we have to stir it gently until we reach a stable emulsion. Next, I've added our essential oil. Our essential oil load for today is 3%, and my target here is a mild and gently scented soap bar. Today, I've decided to use a blend of peppermint and pine needle essential oil. I stirred it again gently and used a stick blender to achieve the medium trace. Then, let us add the clay. I originally planned to have 2 different shades of green in my soap, But while I was doing the soap, I decided to ditch that idea and I just made a plain green soap. Because later on, I'll be doing some design. Very simple embossing. It's not an embossing, actually, it's an engraving design. Okay, our day will not be complete without our little chit chat on the benefits of moringa in the soap and in the skin. Moringa is loaded with vitamins A, C, and E. It is naturally used to combat wrinkles and other skin conditions. It was also good to fight against acne. But I have to remind you that we cannot make any claim in our soaps. The reason why I'm sharing this to you is because this information is actually good for soap label appeal. I'll turn the music on for a while, so stay tuned. And please keep your fingers away from the screen. Don't touch it because I'll be back in a short while. After 2 days, I've unmolded the soap and now let us cut the loaf using a multi-soap cutter. I produced 2 bars of mildly scented Moringa soap together with one round and one oval shaped soap that I placed in a single cavity mold. I hope that you enjoyed our soap making session today and thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I'm Cathy the Clumsy Soaper, and if you are new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing into my channel for a weekly soap making video, DIY tutorials, and a lot more. Hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I release a new content here in my channel. Just like you, soap making is my passion, and I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we can learn and grow together. Thank you so much, Soap Sisters and Bubble Brothers, and happy birthday to those who are celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless! Happy birthday, Francis and Kay. everyone! Happy 2021!